Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a group calls in WhatsApp. So it's pretty simple, let's get started. So first of all, you guys have to open up WhatsApp application on your mobile phone. So after opening up the WhatsApp application on your mobile phone, make sure that you are using the latest version of WhatsApp. So after updating the latest version of WhatsApp, you guys have to open up WhatsApp and simply go to below right corner of call section. Just simply hit that specific call section. So after tapping on calls, now here you guys will be able to see your previously calls. So what you have to do is, in order to make a group call, just simply hit this plus call button. Just simply hit this green button. So after tapping on this, you guys can be able to see we have this kind of menu will appear. So what you have to do is just simply select all those members which you want to add in a group. So I'm just adding some of the members which you want to add in a group call. So after successfully adding those people, so right now I just wanted to make a group call. So just simply hit the video call button or audio call button. So right now I just want audio call of group. So what you have to do is just simply hit that specific audio call button, and here you will be able to see that we have made a group call on a WhatsApp. And here is the way you guys can make a group call on WhatsApp very easily. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.